Hey there, this is Tia and this video is about how we can chat on WhatsApp without being online. As you can see the demo on your screen. To do so, install this app. You will get the link in description. After that, open the app. You will see three options. Select first one, that is offline chat, no last seen. Now tap on allow and allow all the permission the app asked for. Now let's try this. I'll send some messages from my another device. As you can see, we got the message. And here we can reply to that message. Here, see, another device got the message and I'm still offline. Here you can see images as well, but you have to enable auto download from your WhatsApp if you have disabled it. So using this method, you can chat on WhatsApp without being online. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.